Do you take advantage of hotkeys when using your computer? I've always got one hand on the mouse and the other hand's on the keyboard. So I'm sitting there and I'm tapping keyboard shortcuts like crazy, and my wife sees me do something and she goes, "How did you do that? That would save me so much time." Well, with this series of videos, you too can learn to be a keyboard commando. Hi and welcome back to ScottiesTech.Info. I'm Scotty with my co-host Cletus the Tribble. Today's keyboard shortcuts are Windows key up arrow and Windows key down arrow. What does that do? It just minimizes and maximizes a window. Okay, let me show you. So here you are. You've got a couple windows up, and whatever open window you're on, Windows up arrow maximizes, Windows down arrow shrinks it back to the normal size, and then Windows down arrow again minimizes the open window. Super handy, don't have to take your hands off the keyboard, and you can minimize or maximize whatever you want. Now, it may not seem like much, but keep practicing, and don't miss my other keyboard commando videos. Master all the hotkeys, and before you know it, you will be computing like a pro. If you have a favorite keyboard shortcut, let me know in the comments below. And as always, like, subscribe to my Substack, and see links in the description if you'd like to make a donation to support my videos. Thanks. See you next time.